If you want to download Slack on Android, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so you can install the app quickly and start using it for work, team chats, and workspace communication. We'll also go over a couple of important tips, like what to look for in the Play Store, and what permissions Slack may ask for when you first open it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. All right, let's get started. First, grab your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. You can usually find it on your home screen or inside your app drawer. The Play Store is where you download trusted apps directly onto your device, so this is the safest place to get Slack. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Slack, then wait for the results to appear. When you see the app, make sure it's the official one developed by Slack Technologies, LLC. You should also see the familiar 4-color hashtag logo, which helps confirm you found the correct app. Now tap the Install button. Your Android device will begin downloading Slack automatically. Depending on your internet speed and device, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, Android will install it for you without any extra steps. After the installation finishes, you'll see an Open button on the app page. Tap that to launch Slack right away. You can also find this Slack icon later in your app drawer if you want to open it from there. When Slack opens for the first time, it may ask for permission to send notifications. This is a very important permission if you want to stay updated on direct messages, mentions, and team activity while the app is running in the background. If you plan to use Slack regularly, allowing notifications is usually the best choice. It's also worth noting that Slack works best on newer Android versions, and some of the latest features may require Android 11.0 or later. If you don't see the app, or if installation doesn't work properly, it may be worth checking whether your device needs a software update first. And that's it. Slack is now installed on your Android device and ready to use. From here, you can sign into your workspace, join your team, and start chatting, sharing files, and staying connected from anywhere. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.